I will show you my earnings for Digistore 24. You can apply these methods which I am going to share in this video for Amazon affiliates, Digistore 24. You can use any platform, any network, and you can apply this method. You will get for all type of problems will be resolved in this video. You will not require any paid tool for this. You will require free tool that I will show you in this video. So make sure to watch this video complete to understand complete process. Whenever you start affiliate marketing, you have to consider one thing in your mind, that you will give value to people. You will provide some solutions, some benefits to other users, so they will buy your product or service. I will take you to my screen because in my most videos I don't tell without screen. For the beginners, affiliate marketing is you promote others products and you will get commission. And the beauty of affiliate marketing is you will require no investment, no inventory. You simply promote affiliate products and after that you can get commission. I personally thankful to those people who are applying my methods and earning a lot of money. You can check my Instagram digital.helping, where I put screenshots of people they are earning a lot of money with after watching my videos. If you are new on my channel, make sure to subscribe and you can check my play. My mostly methods are free because mostly people are beginner. Here in this video I request you to watch this video complete. It is to watch complete video so your all concept will be clear. So without wasting the time, let's go to the screen. So guys, this is Digistore 24 and you can easily create your account on Digistore 24. If you are using another network, you can use it, but here in this video I am using this method on Digistore 24 because many people use Digistore 24, or you can use any network as I said. So simply you will go to the Digistore 24 and click on the register. Now you will fill up the form with simple username, email address, password, title, name and Skype ID, address, and that's it. Your account will be created within 5 minutes. There is not a big deal. And the traffic where we are going to promote our thing that I'm going to show in this video. That so first of all, the traffic of that website where we are going to promote our products are 147.8 million. That is super huge traffic on this website, and the 25.97% traffic comes from United States. So this is a super amazing method that I am going to share with you. If you are unskilled, if you don't know anything, you can do this easily. So first of all, you can see my earnings over here, that yesterday I have made $450 and today I have earned $600 with this method. You will simply go to the Google and you will write chat OpenAI. Okay, OpenAI chat GTP optimizing language models for dialogue. Simply go to Google and write there. Don't skip any part of this video. How I will create the article, how I will do this. Watch each and everything. Each and everything is important in this video. Click over here, simply click over. So you will just need to sign up with your Gmail ID and this type of dashboard will be appeared on your screen. Now we will go to the marketplace of Digistore 24 and after that we will select, there are multiple categories, we will select some category. If you are new on this video, don't know about how to do niche research for affiliate marketing, simply go to my channel Digital Helping and you will see there are playlist of Digistore 24 free tutorials. You can watch my all videos where I have discussed each and everything about Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. Now we will select a product. So I have selected one product over here. Click over here, photography, and simply go scroll down, so you can see over here smartphone filmmaking pro membership. The earnings of that particular product's earnings around $96, means if you sell this product you will get $96 per sale. So I'm going to click over here on sales page, so we will see over here how sales page look like. So here you can see skyrocket your smartphone video quality or money back online course that teaches you how to capture the most important moments of your life in stunning quality using your smartphone. So simple, so easy. Whenever the customer will come on that specific sales page, they will buy the product, they will download or buy, so easily you will earn $96. Now what I am going to do over here, that I will simply copy the title of that particular of this particular product. Now I came to the chat GPT and I have giving this command that write an article outline smartphone filmmaking. Now I'm going to click over here. The AI tool will generate a unique article in front of you, so we will copy this article, but before pasting this article we have to read must. But here in this video, because I am making this video for example, so whenever you go for creating this article, you will go and you will reread your article first, and then you will simply copy the article and then you will paste. Okay, so the website of 147 million views website is medium.com. Simply you will go there and log in with your Gmail ID. So this type of dashboard appear over here. Very simple and very easy. So here you will click over here on right. So one more thing I will add in this video, that Medium blogs, Medium stories appears on Google search engine as well. Means if you create an article like this and your article will get boosted, so Google will rank your article on their search engine, so you will get millions of traffic of this single article. So now we are going to give the title of our article 5 tips for so you can see smartphone filmmaking, and simply we will paste our article over here. So I have pasted, but this article looks so boring over here, so we will add pictures, we will embed the videos, we will make it more informative, more progressive, more engaging, so people will definitely read your article on that particular product. And we will put our affiliate links on that, direct affiliate links on this article, because Medium, we will use Medium as a free landing page as well, so we will require no landing page for this method. Otherwise landing page is required to promote your affiliate offers on every network, but over on the Medium you no need to create free landing page or paid landing page. No, you will not require any landing page. So I am here on Google, I have written smartphone filmmaking, so we will select some pictures from Google and then we will paste it on our article. So I have downloaded the picture from Google and pasted over here, you can see, and I have created another article over here, you can see as well. So here we will put this article on our Medium blog. So definitely you can do this easily. This is amazing. So easily you can do this work on your mobile phone as well. So this is not necessary to do this work on your laptop or PC. So easily, simply you will go and copy this article, but make sure before reading this article. So guys, randomly I will put the article here, because as I said, I am telling you the examples. You will read the article, you will put the image in your article, and after that simply you will go to the affiliate you will get your affiliate link, and you will put your affiliate link 2 or 3 times in article. So guys, this is my affiliate link. Then I am going to copy this link from here. I am copied to the link has been copied. So now you can see over here, I will put my affiliate link over here 2 or 3 times from here, here, or in the bottom and in the end of the article, right? So let's suppose I will show you that how you can put your affiliate link. Click over here, copy, paste, simple. The affiliate link has been generated. Simple, very simple. And after that you will click on publish. That's it. So when you will click on publish, you will simply add a topic. So for example, I will select over here smartphone, or smartphone. I will put the topic tags over here, and different tags you can do over here. Digital marketing. So it will increase our article reach. So you can put 3 to 4 or 5 this type of tags and topics relevant to your article, and absolutely if your article will be amazing, Google will rank it, and any person who want to watch, who want to see that how to do filmmaking for smartphone filmmaking, they will read your article, click on the affiliate link, and you will get commission after purchasing. $96 per sale. Keep in your mind. So hope this video will become very helpful for you. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me on comments. I am here for you. So take care and goodbye.